Good morning, friends. My name is Vivek Pandit, and today there's a very useful discussion, information rather, that I would be passing on to you. And for all those interested in starting their business or already in business, can utilize today's discussion, today's information in taking advantage of certain schemes that the government of India has started for the benefit of entrepreneurs. And by this information, you can actually start your business, or in case you already have a business, a running business, you can further take advantage of the offer that is made in this scheme. So the scheme that we are going to discuss today is the Mudra Yojana, more popularly known as Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, PMMY, and it has already begun operation since 2016 and 2017. And the main purpose of launching this scheme, and by the name Mudra, you can easily make out, loans are being offered, capital is sought to be provided for your business, and this is supposed to fund the unfunded, that section of the society that has missed the bus or not in a position to finance itself, or does not possibly have the collateral to provide as security for starting a business. So this policy, this scheme is for such individuals, and it has been launched, it is in operation, and you can take advantage of it, not only for starting your business, but also in case you have a running business, for further expansion, for further growth, for further modernization. You can take advantage of this policy called the Mudra Yojana. Now let us see for ourselves what is the purpose of this scheme, this loan scheme. So as I just mentioned, it is for to fund the unfunded, and the assistance, the financial assistance that is being provided is up to the tune of 10 lakh of rupees, which is no small amount, and this is available for non-farm enterprise. So you have to remember this is for non-farm sector only, and it is available for both rural and urban sectors. So this is primarily available for manufacturing, for trading services that you are providing. So manufacturing, trading, others service related to such activities, and for any other income generation purpose, such a scheme, such loans will be provided up to the tune of 10 lakh of rupees. So activities, what are those activities? Non-agricultural activities, and but there are also certain activities which also fall under the non-agricultural activities. So let us see what are those activities which also are eligible to take advantage of the scheme. So activities which are correlated with agriculture but still they are eligible are pisciculture, beekeeping, poultry, livestock rearing, grading, sorting, aggregation, agro industries, dairy industries, fishery industry, agri clinics, agri businesses centers, food and agro processing units, and so on and so forth. So such activities which are non-farm based, but even such activities which are close to agriculture are also eligible for being part of this Mudra Yojana. And as I just mentioned, the Mudra scheme is available since the financial year 2016-17. So it can be taken advantage of. The application, loan application can be moved, and we'll tell you the procedure as we move forward. So the purpose is clear, and loans available up to 10 lakh of rupees. So now let us see the individuals or the groups of individuals who are eligible to apply for loans under the scheme. So any individual can apply for this loan, number one. Any proprietary concern, any partnership firm, any company, association of persons, that is AOP, limited liability partnership, in case the partnership is such where the liabilities are limited, they are also eligible to apply for the Mudra scheme. And the only thing to be remembered is that individual should not be a defaulter, loan defaulter to any bank or to any other financial institution for being eligible to the Mudra loan. So we know the purpose now. We know the different activities which are also eligible, and individuals who are running those activities, what kind of individuals or groups of individuals are eligible to take advantage of the scheme. And as I mentioned before, it is for starting your business idea, or it is for capacity expansion, or it could even be for the modernization of your business, that the Mudra Yojana can be availed. And the eligibility criteria is, of course, for starting a new business, or even if there is an existing business, you can apply and you are eligible, or your business is eligible for taking advantage of the scheme. So, as I also already mentioned, that the loan is available to a tune of uh, 10 lakh of rupees, and the government under this Mudra Yojana has categorized the entire loan into three different categories. So the number one category is called the Shishu Yojana, which is again under the Mudra Yojana, and this applies to loans up to the amount of rupees 50,000. So loans which are applied for up to the maximum limit of 50,000 fall in this category of Shishu Yojana. Number two is the Kishore Yojana of the Mudra plan, and here the loan amount ranges between 50,000 and 1 to 5 lakh of rupees. So this is category number 2. And the third category, of course, moves ahead of 5 lakh. So any loan amount ranging between 5 lakh and 1 rupees up to the maximum limit, which as we know is 10 lakh of rupees, that falls in the category of Tarun Yojana. So Shishu, Kishore and Tarun, these are the three categories under which you can apply for loan for your business under the Mudra Yojana scheme. So the pricing, as you must remember, is under the comparative pricing linked to MCLR, which is the marginal cost of fund-based lending rate. That is how economical the entire offering is by way of financing your business or financing your capacity to build. So very economical rates that are being offered here. And another good news to be remembered is the collateral security required is absolutely nil. No collateral security is required under the scheme. However, there are certain points for primary securities in case of plant and machinery. Then you have to hypothecate your plant and machinery for term loans, and that factor has to be remembered. And a hypothecation of the stocks and receivables in case you are opting for cash credit, that needs to be done. Otherwise, no collateral security is required under the scheme. Now let us come to the repayment period. In what is the period of time for which the loan or the loans are available? So the loans are available for 3 to 5 years, including which also includes a moratorium. Moratorium is that period of fixed period of time under which no interest, nothing is charged from you. So there's a benefit of you utilizing the entire sum of money without any burden of repaying in any form or sharing from your revenue towards the return of your loan. So 3 to 5 years is the period for which the loans will be available to you, and there's a moratorium depending again upon the kind of activity, the kind of business that you are in, or the kind of income that you are able to generate. So there's a moratorium period of 6 months where it's in a way it is a holiday period for your business, and there's no pressure on you to return in any way, either in full or in part of the loan amount under the scheme. So the review of your term loan is done annually. So that aspect, of course, for any institution to be lending out loans to you, the reviews a natural fallout. And you, of course, since you are running your business, since you'll be starting your business, you will have your own plans, you will have your own documentation ready to for a clear assessment of the progression that you are making in your business. So except for the annual review, nothing else is required for a period of 6 months, and the loans are available for a period of 3 to 5 years, again depending upon the activity and the kind of business that you are doing. Processing fee, more good news for the first two categories, that is the Shishu category and the Kishore category. So loans right up till the sum of 5 lakh rupees carry no processing fee, no upfront fee you have to pay for getting this loan amount. However, in case you are applying for loans beyond the sum of 5 lakh of rupees, there you have to pay a slight sum of 0.5%, and which is applicable on the loan amount that you have applied for. So no processing fee, no collateral fee is definitely a good start for your business. But of course, in case you apply in the third category, that is a marginal sum that you have to pay towards the processing fee, or that is the upfront fee for getting the loan sanctioned. There are a few other conditions that you have to keep in mind. The loans under the Mudra scheme are guaranteed by the credit guarantee for micro units. And the same is provided through National Credit Guarantee Trustee Company, that is the NCGTC. And the guarantee cover is available for 5 years, and hence for advances which are granted under Mudra scheme, the maximum period is 60 months. We have already seen that 3 to 5 years is maximum period that you will get for getting that loan. And one more condition that you need to keep in mind is that loans are now available in Udyami Mitra portal. So you can go to www.udyamimtra, that is right at the bottom of your screen, .in, and the site can be accessed by branches with username and password. Those are the institutions which will forward you or will grant you that loan facility under the Mudra scheme. And all the branches to issue Mudra Rupee card as well. That is what the responsibility on the different institutions is, that they will issue Rupee card for all the eligible CC accounts. So this is a wonderful scheme that is available for your benefit, and as I just mentioned, for making the unfunded absolutely funded. So happy days up to the tune of 10 lakh of rupees. Please go ahead and utilize the facility under the Mudra scheme, and make sure that in case you have a running business, the capacity enhancement, the modernization of your business is now just a click away under the scheme. Thank you for watching. We wish you all the best.